here from Panasonic's NAB 2018 booth. I'm the product manager of our PTZ camera and IP networking systems. Here we have our family of NDI PTZ cameras, starting with our HN38 all the way up to the 130. The 38, 40, and the 70 are all single chip sensors with different capabilities and different interfacing, and then we have our flagship model, the 130, which is a 3-chip image sensor which we inherit from our broadcast cameras. All of them have now built-in support for NDIHX, and current models, those who have existing cameras in the marketplace or the E models, can upgrade their cameras to this functionality as well. We're excited to be supporting the NDI protocol. Lots of folks in the industry supporting it and building this ecosystem of products. So whether you're connecting it to a NewTek TriCaster or Panasonic's AVH LC100 or a Telestream Wirecast, it's a great solution. Single cable provides you power, control, audio, video, and tally. Thanks for watching.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.